Alright, so trying to edit this. I actually already kind of edited the data that I needed because I didn't realize that I had to do this. But mine is an infographic kind of around World War II, kind of talking about different technology. So this chart shows the number of countries that were on the Allied side compared to the Axis side, based on what year they entered. So I found a website that has all the kind of participants and when they entered the war based on what year. So I just went through and totaled them up. So in 1939, technically Germany was the only one. 1940, they gained a few other people, a few other countries that officially declared on their side, and they didn't get any more that joined after 1942. So that kind of stayed there. Manipulating data, just kind of going in here. I still want that at 13 because that's the right number. The Allies gained a whole bunch in 1941. Big ones that happened were the Soviet Union joined and the United States joined. And when the United States joined, there were a whole bunch of Caribbean countries that all of a sudden went, yeah, go Allies. So that's what that was. So yeah, that's kind of the data manipulation. And then obviously I wanted to change colors, so I wanted a nice deep blue and then a red for the axis, so that way there's a good contrast in the chart. But yeah,